What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Reviews by KJ, and we're back at it again with another video. This is gonna be a short video, man. I'm just doing a walk around on my 442 Cutlass. So I wanted to bring y'all along. See, look at my mirror hanging. I wanted to bring y'all along so y'all can see what's going on. But as you can see, they've been doing some body work. They did the hood, they did the trunk. I don't know if you've seen previously, but my hood, it was rusted out. Not hood, my bad. My hood was rusted out and my trunk was rusted out. My trunk was so rusted that they had holes in it. So it was pretty bad. As you can see, I'm going around. I'm like, okay, they fixing it up. They got all the little pieces off. They got the tail lights off. It's real. I mean, it's coming along, you know. They still got some body work to do. You see me pointing little things out here and there. But they started sanding it down already. It's making progress. I'm going back to original color, so don't worry. It's going to be OG. As you can see, that fender right there is still pretty beat up, so they got some work to do on it. But yeah, man, it's coming along. I'm ready to get it back home and go ahead and get that thing rolling. Still got that crack up there in the panel, but they working on everything, so everything coming along. The big stuff already done. Trunk. But yeah, they got the trunk done. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button, and we'll holler at y'all on the next one, man. We're gonna get on out of here. Did just another little quick walk around, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate you for tuning in. Yes, sir.